to Canada Life of Maring Sarah. And as you can see, I'm having a hard time like talking normal with my lips because I just got my tooth filling. I don't know where is it. Maybe on the upper left tooth. Yeah, I think so. Because the last time they did on my braces adjustment last August 22, we did also cleaning, teeth cleaning, and then one of the hygienists is new to me and his name is William. So shout out to William. Thank you for cleaning my teeth last time. I did appreciate it when you saw that one of my tooth filling fell off. So they rescheduled a day for me to have it done. So after my work today is September 3rd, 2025. I did rush in getting there at the dental clinic, but unfortunately didn't make on the time I promised. It should be 3:10 in the afternoon. So should be like 15:10. I'll be there at the clinic. But since there's a construction going on the highway, so the speed should be like only a maximum of 40 speed. So it's kind of slow, and I tried my best to be on time, but I reached around like 15. So I did like an allowance. I told them that I might be coming around between 3:10 to 3:15. So I already estimated that because sometimes it depends on the situation at work. If I have something to do apart from the other tasks that needs to be done before we clock out. So we're clocking out like sometimes 3:05, like today I clock out 3:07. So I have to brush my teeth before going to dentist because they were gonna do the tooth filling right. And then after that I hitched on our truck and drove to the highway down to the clinic. So since there's a construction, it took me like few more minutes to be there, and thankfully I got at the clinic around 3:15. So we're just on time because I did an allowance, right? Should be 3:10, so I got there exactly 3:15, guys. Then when I was at the dental clinic, I forgot her name. The dental assistant told me to lay down on the chair and we'll wait for the dentist. They will freeze my upper mouth at the location of the tooth that needs to be filled. And then after a few minutes, it's like there's a bump already forming on my on my left cheek. So until now, after the cleaning and they put on my new rubbers on my braces, so it's still there. The numbness is still there, guys. So I feel so shy because I don't know how to smile again because it's still numb. And look at it, guys. When I close my mouth, it's crooked. It's like I'm very sad, guys. And then actually after they did the tooth filling, guys, I asked my my dental assistant if I could change my rubbers. So I choose dark navy blue and color black. There, guys. So they're kind of cute. I like them, guys. I like them. So I don't know if when's gonna be my next appointment. I'm not sure if it's on November 22nd. But they told me just before I left the clinic, they said that see you on October. So I don't know when on October or on November. So let's see. Let's wait for their text, guys. And now I'm thinking on what to eat, guys. So maybe I'm so hungry. I just drank like 976 ml of iced coffee, the one I prepared last night. Oh, this morning I think, because I just cooked corned beef, steamed broccoli, and boiled eggs for our food today, guys. So I'm still on my uniform. There you go. As you can see, I think I lost weight. My tummy is gone. Before it's kind of like humping on my tummy. Now it's flatter when I lay down, guys. So there's a bit of positive side in getting brace. Yeah, make sure not eat, guys, your favorite treats. That's why you're on a diet. But sometimes if the food is really good, and even if my bite is so in pain, I'm still trying to, just bear the pain in order for me to eat what I like. Yeah. I don't really chew it if it's really hard. So I just let it like become softened first until I swallow. So I don't really appreciate eating since I got my braces, guys. All I want is to fill up my stomach, just to, feed my mouth and then swallow. That's it. So I don't really enjoy food. Now for like at least May, I got my braces April, May, June, July. April, May, June, July, August, September. No, 5 months, guys. So I still have 1 year and 7 months, guys, before I can be free from my braces. Let's see if can really like close my gaps. There you go, guys. Yeah. So right now, what I'm gonna do is wake up my son, because I don't know if he has a schedule for cleaning with my brother or not. And then I'm gonna do smoothie for myself and for my husband, because I'm really hungry. And then I will try to eat rice because I'm really hungry, guys. I don't know what else should I eat. And tomorrow I will cook chop suey. But unfortunately, I'm just too shy to go to the grocery because I don't know how to smile, guys. It's still numb and frozen. So look at how I smile. It's weird, guys. Oh my god. I don't have any more low battery, guys. The weather, it's been smoky for the past 3 days here in our town, because I think there's a wildfire going on at Northwest Territory. I don't know which part, because I haven't read any articles about the wildfire going on here in Canada, in that West Territory. And I haven't been watching news for the past 3 days, so I don't know. But it was worse on the second day, I think second day, because you can really smell the smoke, guys. So it makes you sneeze, especially me, guys. You know, guys, when I reached at the age of 40, I had this feeling sneezy all the time. So yeah, that's why I wear mask every time I start my work. So anyway, guys, just a quick update today. I did not capture the dental appointment that I have today because I was really in a rush, and I'm just too shy to ask a favor from them if I can shoot myself, like take a video of myself while they're doing the tooth filling and my rubber replacement, guys. So maybe on my next adjustment, guys, we will make a video from it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I just like to share my experience today, and thank you guys for subscribing to the new ones on our channel. Hope you have a great morning, afternoon, and good evening, guys, to each one of you all around the world. So it's just me, Maring Sara, our Canada life here. So we will post an updated everyday daily life, everyday daily. It's everyday and then daily life, guys. I don't know how to think anymore because I'm really like into my numbness. So guys, anyway, we'll see each other again. Thanks for subscribing, and hope you have a good time today. It's September 22nd, 2025. Let's start a day positive and feeling motivated, guys. Only positive vibes, right? So let's just enjoy life. We only live once, guys. So let's make the most out of it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and to those who haven't been subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel, guys. We're now 84, so let's wait until we reach 100 subscriber, then we're gonna have a new vlog, guys. Okay, and I will make sure, guys, I will try my best to make you happy and satisfied. Love you all.